Hey, you guys haven't seen any barbecue in a while. So today's Labor Day. I've got a whole chicken that I wanted to smoke. So that's what we're doing. We got the Kamado hotted up right here. Got the coals going. It's running about 300 right now, and I've been soaking some pecan wood chips. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a couple handfuls in there and let that kind of get started. I've got a chicken that I have prepped already. I've been marinating it all morning. I got some zesty marinade, mixed it up, put it in a bag, and we're going to set it on right here and do some indirect cooking and get some smoke going. So I'll let this settle in for a few minutes and then we'll put some chicken on. So here's the bird. I've had it marinating in this stuff. This is like an oil-based zesty marinade. Kind of like Italian dressing, really. Just buy it in a pack, mix it up with some oil and some water and vinegar. But I want to pull it out of here and set it in this pan. Should be nice and marinated right there. I'm going to put a little extra seasoning on top of it, just for some more layer of flavoring. Just using it's incredible. I'll sprinkle it real good and then we'll go set it on the grate. Alright, the Kamado is ready. We got a little bit of smoke rolling. It's about 275 right now. I'm trying to get it to about 250. So I'm going to use my meter probe. This is a wireless meat thermometer that runs off an app off your phone. And I just absolutely love it because you don't have to worry about wires sticking out of the grill or anything like that. When you're done with it, you just wash it good and then you stick it back on the charger, and the charger stuck to the fridge because it's got magnets on it, and it's ready for the next time. So what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and install it. It checks the ambient temp and the internal temp. I'm going to put it right here in the breast and put it right in there to that line that's on the probe. All right. There we go. Okay, so once you actually disengage that meter probe from the charger, it'll actually show it on here. So what we do is, this is in the app. Tap to set up cook. See, it's showing the internal already. Ambient temp, I'm sorry. And there's the internal temp. We're going to set up a cook for poultry, whole chicken. And I'm just going to go USDA, which is 165. And then you're going to hit start cook up there. Make sure it's that's installed properly, and hit start cook. I've got the sound muted. It's just telling me that it is because it makes noises to notify you. Alright, so we got an internal temp right now of 52. Our target's 165, and then it shows the ambient temp as well. So I really love being able to see what that ambient temp there is. So let's see. There's the time elapsed. And this thing gives you a graph. I don't remember. Let's see, maybe right there. Okay, so it's got a graph that'll actually show you the temperatures as you're cooking throughout the whole thing. So it gives you like a report at the end of your cook on how the temperatures, every time you lift the lid, you'll see a little drop in the temperature there. It's pretty neat. So anyway, it'll chime as it's getting close. 5 minutes before, it'll actually notify you that it's 5 minutes away from being done, and it tells you the rest time. And man, it's just great. I really love this thing. So again, that's the meter app. Just something that a viewer gave me that I absolutely love using. Alrighty, I was out there in the shop working, and I got the notification that we hit our 165 internal temp, and to remove it from heat. So I got my Insta read. I want to verify it. Well, everything smells good coming out of here. Got around 172 right there. $175. We should be good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing off. So wrap her up with some foil and let it rest for a while. I'm not going to be eating this for probably 2 or 3 more hours for dinner. And I'm just going to point this out. See, it's starting to blaze up again, the coals. But what's really nice about these Kamados or any of this style of grill like this, because I have people ask me about it, is it burns this coal very efficiently. Now it's starting to flame back up and start burning some more of that wood. But all you got to do whenever you're done cooking with this thing is just close it up. And you want to close the lower vent, which I only had it open a 1/2 inch. And in this upper vent up here, I've only got it open just a little bit. And then just let it, it'll snuff itself out after a couple hours or so. And then when you come back out here again, the next time, and you open this thing up, you'll see just about all those coals that you just seen still in there. You just rake them around, and the ashes fall through the grates. There's some holes in the bottom there, and it goes through to the ash pan, and then just reuse those coals again. So one of the benefits of these ceramic style grills. So just cutting into the chicken. All them juices just fell out of it. Here's the breast. Looks good. Got a great flavor to it.